Want to track visitors with Tawk.to? Tawk.to lets you monitor website visitors in real time, view their activity, and start conversations directly from your dashboard. In this guide, I'll show you how to track visitors with Tawk.to step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Tawk.to account and choose the website property you want to monitor. Make sure the Tawk.to chat widget has already been installed on your website so visitor activity can be detected. Next, open the monitoring section from the Tawk.to dashboard. This area displays visitors who are currently browsing your website and updates automatically as new visitors arrive. Click on a visitor to see available information such as the pages they're viewing, the time spent on your website, their location based on IP, browser, operating system, and other session details. The information available depends on the visitor's session and your Tawk.to configuration. If appropriate, you can start a proactive conversation by sending a chat message directly from the monitoring dashboard. Use a friendly greeting and offer assistance without interrupting the visitor's browsing experience. Finally, review visitor activity and previous conversations to better understand how people use your website. This information can help you identify popular pages, improve customer support, and respond more effectively to visitor questions. Respecting visitor privacy and following applicable privacy laws is always important when using visitor monitoring features, and that's how to track visitors with Tawk.to. By monitoring visitor activity and responding in real time, you can provide better support and improve your website's customer experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.